Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your boy Trey Fragrance, and I'm back with another banger. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications because I will be posting more content for you guys. So, before I get straight to this video, I do want to say I hope y'all out there having an amazing day. I hope y'all out there feeling good, looking good, dressing good, and most importantly of all, smelling good. So, in this video, I will be teaching y'all on how to apply y'all fragrances. So if you guys do not know how to apply fragrances and you definitely want to get that longevity, that projection really going, you want to fill up a room, maybe you want to leave a nice, beautiful scent trail, I got you. You guys are in the right place. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. So this won't be a long video. I'll be teaching y'all on how to apply your fragrances. So if you're one of those type of people that definitely, love to kind of a little bit overspray, you know what I mean? You want to get that real projection. Like I say, sometimes it depends on the fragrance too. You know what I mean? So for example, we're just going to be using Sangria plus Embry by Michael Malone. So first spray you want to do right here on the wrist. That's number one. Or you can do another one on the wrist. That's two. You can do boom on the neck. That's three. And then you go right here. That's four. Now, then you can go behind the ear. Right here. You can go behind the ear. Let me get close so y'all can see. So you go behind the ear. That's five. Boom. You can go behind the ear on the other side. That's six. Now, and if you want to substitute one of the spots that I just sprayed, you can just switch it up and go behind the back of the neck. If you want that scent trail, when people walk behind you, they definitely can smell you. So, and another thing too, like I say, if you do want really to get that fragrance really lasting, you can spray on your clothes. Boom, boom. Two sprays on the clothes, that's all you need, So, but you got some people that don't want it too strong. So what they'll do, they'll go just like this. Boom. Now I'm gonna tell you this. Do not, all right? Guys, ladies and gentlemen, do not rub your fragrance in. Okay? Do not, when you spray, don't do that. All right. Number one, you're messing up the notes in the fragrance, right? You're not letting it sit. You're not letting it perform like how it should. Two, it won't smell the same. The fragrance will not smell the same at all. So do not rub your fragrance in, guys. Do not rub your fragrance, please. I hate when people try to talk to me about fragrances, and then when I spray you on fragrance, then when you spray on your fragrance, you rub your fragrance in. Like, you have nothing to say to me. Like, literally, like, you have nothing to say to me. Do not rub your fragrance in, guys. Do not rub your fragrance. All right. So with that being said, just do a good 4 or 5 sprays. Like I say, depending on the fragrance, how strong it is. Which this fragrance right here definitely is pretty strong. So you can go boom, boom, behind the ears, behind the neck. You know what I mean? And or if you want to switch it up too, I forgot about this one. You can go right here inside the elbows. Inside the elbows. You can go inside the elbows right here. That's definitely a hot spot too. So that's how you apply your fragrance, guys. Let me know if was this video any helpful to you guys. If you did not know how to apply fragrance, trust me, I got you. You don't want to miss it. And definitely on how to apply fragrance too, you got to know which season to wear it in too. You got to know the occasion. You got to know the what it is, the occasion, like the right moment to wear it. You know what I mean? So basically, the right occasion to wear it. You got to know how to wear it. You got to, it's a lifestyle. So guys, let me know if this video any helpful to you guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on y'all post notifications because I will be posting more content for you guys. And it's your boy Trey Fragrance, and I'll see y'all in the next video.